Welcome to the first episode of Mike and Mission, brought to you by Enactus Shaheed Bhagat Singh College, where we dive deep into stories of impact, innovation, and social change. And today we have with us a very special guest, Mr. Akash Tandon, the founder of Pehchan NGO, a volunteer-led initiative that has impacted over 1,600 students across 10 centers. We welcome you today, sir.
Thank you, Alicia.
I'm very glad to have you here, sir.
Thank you, Arjun. Same here. It's always special to be the first.
Yeah, this is our first
Yes,
Yeah.
episode of the podcast, Mike and Mission. So how do you like the college, sir?
it's good. It's amazing.
You like it?
I always love colleges. Usually you will find me roaming around colleges because that's the most I miss.
Yeah, we showed sir around the campus, and yeah, I think you liked it, right?
Yes,
We
yes.
hope
Of
you
course.
like it.
Yeah.
I love it. Like koi bhi college, I just love being around college.
So, sir, let's talk about your early life. So, us teenagers, when we enter college, we see these, new environments, and as members of Enactus, we saw an opportunity to make social change, right? So, were there any moments in your early college life which shaped you into this, to go into this direction?
Yes, so I would not say college, but from school itself,
Right.
like I was into social work,
Right.
getting involved in multiple things.
Right.
Social change, because I guess as a human, all of us in some way or the other, we want to do something good.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, so that was from the school itself, and in college you just get a platform because then there's freedom. You have a lot of societies, you have a lot of options to do.
Definitely.
So college actually gave me a platform wherein you can independently start working. You can work with multiple people. Schools don't have that option.
Definitely,
It
yeah.
is very restricted when you're in school.
Yeah.
Colleges, as compared, it is more open to experimenting, and I guess that's where the role came in. Did a few activities in school time also.
Right.
Some good, some bad, some learnings, but as a whole, yeah, college does play a big role in
Yeah, giving you the
creating
freedom.
that freedom. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly.
Right. So the question that I have for you, I think it's one of the most asked questions. What was it that struck in you to start Pehchan? Was there a pain point? Did you see something happen in your surroundings? क्या हुआ कि आपने बोला कि I have to do something?
So to be very honest, there was no objective as such. There's still no objective. There's still no aim. There's still no blueprint.
Right.
That we have to do something. It was because I was, as I said, during school, during college, and during college also there were multiple things that we do as a person, as an individual. Once you get a platform, you want to do everything.
Right.
And you want to contribute for environment. You want to contribute for different causes.
Right.
But it was a moment when you realize that, and again, college lessons, what activities we did, there was a realization that whatever you're doing, till the time you contribute, it stays.
Huh.
As an initiative, as a effort, as an output, whatever you do, till the time you're doing, it will stay. As soon as you stop contributing, the whole initiative, whatever social work you do, it will end. It will end, or the impact will end. Right. But in terms of education,
Right.
if you're teaching somebody, if you're sharing your education, if you're sharing knowledge, if you're sharing your skills with somebody, even if you stop someday, the knowledge that you have shared will always be with the person.
Definitely.
That we all have been schools. We are not in school anymore.
And yeah.
But whatever we do right now, from eating to walking to speaking, everything is a lesson from our school.
Definitely.
So education never dies.
Yeah.
So that was the moment when we realized that if we have to contribute, let's not just waste our time.
Yeah.
Right? Let's contribute. We all have very limited efforts and resources to share. So let's focus on something that can eventually be on a larger scale, that can actually build somebody's life,
Yeah.
that can create an impact on somebody's whole generations to come.
Hanji.
So that was the basic thought of focusing on education, and that's where the idea popped up. Again, there were multiple instances, but the basic concept was this: if we have to contribute, let's contribute in something that is impactful.
Impactful, definitely.
And I think education is something, as you mentioned, it will last will live forever.
Yes.
That is, I think,
We are the living
best.
examples of
Yeah,
education,
yeah.
right? We all are here because something stayed with us.
Yeah, definitely.
Right. So yeah, that's how important education
And
is.
not just for us, like, let's just imagine, an underprivileged child, education can totally turn that child's life upside down.
Yes.
Yeah.
360 degrees.
We have seen students developing in a way wherein their generations will get a benefit out of it.
Yeah, definitely.
And if you get one save, so there are a lot of BPLs, right, below poverty line people.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
get one person educated, that one person can actually change the whole generations to come.
Yeah.
So that's how impactful education is.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Okay, so as we mentioned that you've almost impacted 1,600 underprivileged students. That's a huge number. So when was it that you realized that you are not just impacting 10, 20, 50 people near your vicinity? This impact has transcended into something really large, which might just be bigger than just the school.
So 1,600 is the current number.
Right.
In
Yeah.
last 10 years, I guess there have been more than 5,000 students who
Wow.
have been part of this journey. And in terms of scale, again, as I said, we never have this objective of scaling up or having a bigger number or having
Yeah.
maybe 500 centers or having 10,000
Right.
people to get impacted. Our basic objective is to create a platform wherein if you're looking for something, if you're looking for help in whatever form for education, we give them a platform. We give mentors. If you want to learn arts, we have mentors for that. If you want to learn any other skill, from psychology to extracurricular activities to everything. So our centers, it's a platform where anybody who wants to learn anything from whatever age, from 4 years to 40 years. If you want
40
to
years.
learn some basic English,
Okay.
come. We have volunteers for that.
Okay.
So the basic. So we have a few set of rules. The first rule is obviously it is open for anybody.
Anybody.
Anybody who wants to contribute in whatever form they can come,
Yeah.
and we never say no to any volunteer.
Yeah.
Second, we are open to everybody, from a child, an adult, anybody who wants to learn from whatever background, from whatever community, whatever the name is, whatever the gender is, whatever the religion is. When they come to the center, they are just students.
Yeah.
And we give
Definitely.
them a platform to learn.
Definitely.
So that is something that we are trying to create. Again, yes, numbers come, numbers go, but our focus has been that this platform should remain as is, because there's so many people who are getting benefit out of it.
Yeah. So I had one question. It's about the impact that you're creating, right? So the volunteers, right? Sometimes in our society, even let's just say we're getting demotivated because we don't see the vision in the project or whatever we're working on. So what about the volunteers? Do they get demotivated? And if they do, then how do you deal with that?
So initially, yes, there were a lot of demotivation.
Yeah.
Because it's a new structure.
And it's
Nobody wants to work. Right now, we have a lot of members. So now we have more members. Sometimes we have almost 150 volunteers at one center.
Okay.
Overall, on an average, we have at least 600 volunteers on ground every weekend.
How many centers do you have?
10.
10. Okay.
So कुछ centers पे there are 50, कुछ center पे there will be huge. So we have psychology interns, we have teaching interns, and there are different activity interns. There are survey interns, people who are doing surveys, people who are doing interviewing families about the
Right.
issues and everything. So it's a mix of all the volunteers.
Right.
So right now we have a team because now people know the name, now people know about the work. But initially,
Yeah.
yes, it was a struggle. But then, since as I said, there was no objective around it. If it would have been a business that you expect, okay, इतना revenue हर महीने आना चाहिए, then you feel demotivated कि अरे
Right.
इतना revenue नहीं आया, क्यों? क्योंकि मेरा target ये था. Our target is just कि अच्छा ठीक है, 50 लोग आए तो 50 पढ़ाएंगे, 5 आए हैं तो we'll still go and we'll still teach. The only thing that has stayed with us and the reason why we have been working for 10 years is consistency.
Right.
Our classes run, बच्चे कम हैं, क्लास चलेगी, वॉलंटियर्स कम है, क्लास चलेगी, बारिश है तब भी क्लास चलेगी, गर्मी अभी और 2 महीने में
Yeah, yeah.
टेम्परेचर विल बी 48 degrees plus, we'll still be taking classes.
Yeah.
Right, so classes are on every time until and unless it's a festival.
Right.
Otherwise classes are on.
That takes a lot of dedication.
That's the dedication, and you can only guarantee for yourself.
Yeah.
And if you are going, if you're dependent on people, one day you'll feel demotivated because you're not going for yourself, you're going for others. कि वो आएगा तो मैं जाऊंगा,
अच्छा.
भीड़ आएगी तो मैं जाऊंगा, भीड़ नहीं आई तो मैं demotivate हो
Yeah.
गया. Right? You don't eat food because others are eating. You eat food because you're hungry.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? आपके एग्जाम्स में you study, आप पूरे महीने नहीं पढ़ोगे, पूरे सेमेस्टर नहीं पढ़ोगे, बट एक दिन पहले भाड़ में गए सारे फ्रेंड्स, कोई पढ़ रहा है नहीं पढ़ रहा, आज तो मेरे को
मैं
पढ़ना
पढ़ूंगा।
है. घर वाले नहीं बोलेंगे तब भी मैं फोन स्विच ऑफ कर दूंगा क्योंकि मेरे को पढ़ना है.
पढ़ना है.
That's because you want to do it. Then you don't feel, you don't need any motivation कि कोई और करेगा नहीं करेगा. It's because you want to do it.
Intrinsic है.
Yes. So if you want to do something, there's nothing that can demotivate you.
हाँ.
That's a learning over the past few years, and I've seen people coming up जो अकेले काम कर लेंगे, उनको कुछ नहीं चाहिए. It's just self satisfaction that I want to do it, I will do it. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
कोई है बहुत अच्छी बात है. It gets your support. कोई नहीं है कोई बात नहीं, मुझे तो करना ही है ना.
Right.
So that's, I guess, what keeps you motivated.
Yeah.
So you mentioned about the festivities. We went through Pehchan's profile. We recently saw you celebrating Holi. So are there any other traditions, fun activities that you do at Pehchan as well?
We do a lot of stuff. There are interactive sessions, there are extracurricular activities. Like, again, it's an open platform. From computers to arts to theater to music to sketching, everything. Like, whatever volunteer we get, we take classes. In terms of festivities, most of the centers that we have, they run in community spaces. So एक slum में जो भी community space होगी जहाँ पे 200, 300, 400 लोग बैठ सकें, वहाँ पे we just start a center.
अच्छा.
So usually these slums में you don't usually find such a large space. So या तो आपको किसी religious place पे मिलेगी या community space में मिलेगी.
अच्छा.
So most of our centers, they run in community spaces or they run in open parks. We have two center which runs in temple. So एक जो first center है, it runs just adjacent to an empty space inside a temple. It's a Valmiki temple. तो वहाँ पे center run होता है. एक center हमने अभी 3 साल पहले start किया है. It runs in the parking of a gurudwara.
Wow.
Right. अभी 2 साल पहले निज़ामुद्दीन में हमारा एक सेंटर है, तो हम लोग पार्क में क्लासेस लेते थे, बट बिकॉज मॉनसून के टाइम पे बहुत घास उगाती है, राइट, पार्क में. तो दैट पार्क के सामने देयर इज अ मॉस्क, देयर इज अ मस्जिद. तो मस्जिद के जो मौलाना साहब है वो बाहर आए एंड ही वाज लाइक कि आप लोग यहाँ पढ़ा रहे हो, दिस इज वेरी डेंजरस. यहाँ 150-200 लोग बैठे हैं और यहाँ से सांप निकल आते हैं. इट इज नॉट सेफ. देन वी सेड कि हमारे पास और तो जगह नहीं है. तो सेड पूरा मस्जिद खाली है, आप यहाँ आके पढ़ाओ. और वहाँ 1.5 साल से वो मस्जिद में वो पूरा उनका जो एम्प्टी एरिया वो सैटरडे संडेज हमें मिल जाता है.
अच्छा.
एंड वहाँ क्लासेस होती है. सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फेस्टिविटीज, तो 3 मेजर फेस्टिवल्स हैं, 4, ईद, दिवाली, क्रिसमस और होली, जो हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. तो हमने मंदिर में ईद भी मना रखी है, क्रिसमस भी मना रखा है, हमने गुरुद्वारे में क्रिसमस मना रखा है, हमने मस्जिद में जाके होली की सेलिब्रेशंस करी हुई है. एंड एवरीबडी हैज कंट्रीब्यूटेड टू इट.
That's so beautiful.
So it's and I tell everybody who joins us that this is what diversity is.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, people are coming, students from all genders, all religions, volunteers from all the religions are coming, and these community people, they are giving us space to openly celebrate and be together and enjoy, because they see us how throughout the year we contribute, how effectively we are going regularly and taking classes. So वो परमिशन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. So हमने गुरुद्वारे में क्रिसमस मनाया हुआ, हमने वहाँ पे प्रॉपर वो क्रिसमस के कैरल्स वगैरह पूरा किया. So it's fun. एंड मंदिर में हम सारे दूसरे फेस्टिवल्स, क्रिसमस भी हम मंदिर में मना रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, तो that's fun, and I guess that is the kind of environment we are trying to create, where only the thing that matters is education. You are educating people to be a good person, and leave behind all the religion, all the
Definitely.
whatever biases you have in the society.
Because education is not all about those, पढ़ाई लिखाई,
Yes.
लिखे लोग.
And it gives a lot of motivation to the people who are in and around.
Definitely.
So people see that अरे उसके बच्चे जा रहे हैं तो हमें भी अपने बच्चे भेजने हैं. It gives motivation to them also.
Yeah.
People usually come and fight कि आप हमारे बच्चे क्यों नहीं पढ़ा रहे हो. ये हमारा, जब अब सपोज किसी हमारे जैसे यूजुअली कॉलेजेस में क्या होता है पनिशमेंट में, इफ यू आर नॉट सिटिंग प्रॉपर्ली, फैकल्टी माइट आस्क यू टू लीव, एंड देन इट्स अ वेकेशन फॉर यू, यू एंजॉय. हमारे केस में अगर हमने किसी बच्चे को बाहर भेज दिया है, वो अपने पेरेंट्स को बुला के लेके आएगा लड़ने के लिए.
मुझे क्यों निकाला?
हाँ, और उसके पेरेंट आके वहाँ बच्चे को सबसे पहले मारेंगे कि तुमने शरारत की इसलिए भागा है.
अच्छा.
सर मैंने इसको मार दिया, अब इसको अंदर ले लो. उसको पता है उसको मार पड़ेगी,
अच्छा,
बट बिकॉज उसको एंट्री चाहिए तो वो जाके अपने मम्मी को या पापा को बुला के लाएगा, सो दैट उसको दोबारा एंट्री मिल जाए.
I mean, it just shows that is true education. We want to run away from our classes.
Yes, that's the privilege we have, and usually we don't really respect our privileges.
Yeah.
And अभी इससे पहले I had this session with Christ only. I'm coming from Christ. So वहाँ पे भी there were students that I told them कि आप जिस यूनिवर्सिटी में बैठे हो, there are so many people who just dream of being here.
Right.
उनको इतना एक्सेस ही नहीं है, उनके पास इतने रिसोर्सेज ही नहीं है, उनके पास इतनी नॉलेज ही नहीं है कि वो कभी यहाँ तक पहुँच सके.
Right.
एंड वी डोंट वैल्यू, वी जस्ट कीप ऑन क्रिटिसाइजिंग. जैसे अभी आपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज कॉलेज कैसा लगा, राइट, वो कॉलेज है, आप यहाँ हो, दैट्स मोर देन इनफ. यू डोंट नो, आई गेस दिस इज द बेस्ट गिफ्ट योर पेरेंट्स कुड हैव गिवन टू यू.
Yeah, definitely.
There's nothing better than this. Getting education and quality education from an institute, I guess you should go and thank them कि भाई आपने मेरी जिंदगी यहाँ से बदल दी. इसके अलावा everything is for a certain period.
हाँ जी.
This will stay for life with you.
Yeah, that really hit me.
I think we really need to thank our parents.
Yeah, that really hit me, like moved something inside of me, because like, yeah, we don't really, appreciate what our parents have done for us and our education, our teachers. Most of us like do not think of teachers as
Yes.
a big part of our life, which they are. Yeah. So one thing I wanted to ask you was that you've been working with these underprivileged kids for a very long time. You said 10 years, right? That's a very long time. Yeah, I was like, what, 9 years old when you've started this initiative. So how do you see the role of empathy playing inside, in this? Not just for, kids, I'm talking more on the volunteer side.
So I guess I just mentioned a part of this अभी थोड़ी देर पहले ही,
Right.
that it's a learning for us.
Right.
हमें लगता है कि हम जा रहे हैं, we are going to teach somebody something, but actually they are teaching us back.
The kids, right?
Yes, obviously the kind of environment they live in, it's a lesson for us. We are struggling for such small things. ब्रेकअप हो गया, एग्जाम्स में मार्क्स नहीं आए, खाना अच्छा नहीं मिला, मम्मी ने कुछ ये बोल दिया, पापा ने, it's all nonsense. If you go through their life, there are students who are having financial issues. Their parents, they beat them because of financial issues. They're going through verbal abuse, physical abuse, mental abuse. They're surrounded by people where there's no water supply proper, there's no proper electricity, there's no proper sanitation facility. They're coming from that space and they're still happy.
Right.
If you ask somebody कि आपको क्या बनना है बड़ा होकर, they'll tell you कि I want to be a doctor, I want to be an engineer. उनको पता नहीं engineering क्या होती है, कैसे करेंगे.
Right.
But they have this motivation. Every waste that you have, ठीक है, आपने कब लास्ट कोई रबर यूज किया जो पूरा खत्म हो गया?
I don't
कौन सी
remember.
नोटबुक यूज
I
करी है
don't
जो
remember.
खत्म हो गई हो? कौन सा पेन यूज किया जिसकी पूरी इंक खत्म हो
खत्म हो गई,
गई?
yeah.
मेरे तो सब चोरी हो जाते हैं. आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर मेरा कौन सा पेन हाफ भी खत्म हुआ है. कोई उठा के ले जाएगा, कहीं खो जाएगा, कहीं गिर जाएगा. बट वो छोटा सा जो बच जाता है ना, अगर वो आप इनको दोगे, द फर्स्ट थिंग दे विल डू इज दे विल शार्प इट फ्रॉम बोथ द एंड सो दैट दे कैन यूज इट बोथ साइड्स. Right? So sometimes it's a waste for us, but it's a dream, it's a gift for many people.
One man's trash is another man's treasure.
So that's the lesson you can actually see.
Yeah.
And then you will start respecting everything around you.
Right.
The reason why we keep on going it gives us that empathy, that the word that you used, it gives us that sense of responsibility and empathy towards everything around us.
Right.
And you thank yourself, yeah, I'm very privileged because I'm not here, at
Right.
least. And if I'm not here, if I'm here, I better use my resources in much, much, much better way. Right? Because we always see the people above us and we see, oh, their life is ideal life. We are to know where we have to be there. But then just go a step down and see what people are actually living at.
Right.
And so it will again change the whole perception you see life.
Right. I think especially people from our generation, especially me, I crib a lot, and this is something that I really relate to, and I really need to see people that are actually struggling, because our struggles are not struggles in the real life.
I still remember you get punished. Like if you come late to college, you get punished. There are so many people who get punished because they get late to their tea shop, or you'll find them all in the morning. They'll either be selling tea or they'll be working at these juice shops in the morning. उनको वहाँ पे डांट पड़ रही है कि आप लेट क्यों आए हो.
Right.
और आप यहाँ पे क्रिप कर रहे हो, कह रहे हम लेट आए हैं, तो उनको डांट पड़ रही है. So it's just two different
Spectrums of work.
spectrums. They are two different worlds for two different
Words,
people.
yeah, definitely.
Right. So it's just once you get to know that, you'll again, as I said, you'll start respecting everything around you.
अपने आप से वो हिट कर जाएगा तुम्हें.
Yes. It's an eye-opening thing, and it can change the way you live.
Great. Sir, one question that I wanted to ask you, like adjacent to the Pehchan, a little away from actually Pehchan. So yeah, अब दिल्ली में जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, like pollution बहुत ज़्यादा है. Like shampoo करके निकलोगे, your hair will be खराब हो जाएंगे. So what I wanted to ask you was that, let's say दिल्ली में air pollution का बहुत दिक्कत है. We were like यमुना का हमने देखा था, foam आ गया था, and so we're seeing all these different social issues, yeah. So what's one which you feel like is something urgent and something that needs to be taken action upon?
So I guess whichever issue you take in the society, from corruption to pollution to anything, everything can be solved just with one thing. That is proper education.
Education. Oh,
It's
definitely.
humans
Definitely.
who are creating all these
Definitely,
issues, right? In some way or the other. If you run behind one issue, you'll find 10.
Oh,
like when
yeah.
we visit slums, it's not the illiteracy that's a part, right? You get sexual abuse, drug abuse, substance abuse, verbal abuse. People are dying to kill each other and snatch things from them.
Right.
Right. So everything is negative.
Right.
What all will you change? You can't. As a human, even as a society, even as a your governments are not able to change
Yeah,
it, right? So nobody can change it if people themselves they don't adopt and improve.
Yeah.
So I guess education is the only thing that can help you change a society. You can, yes, you can build bridges, you can have a good, infrastructure all around. अब G20 में देखा था, you had a good infrastructure, but what they did was green कपड़ा लगा दो so that slums छुप जाए. You can just cover up those issues. You cannot solve them.
Right.
Solve करने के लिए that generation has to move out to a better space. अब आप यमुना खुद तो गंदी नहीं हो रही ना,
हाँ.
वहां से तो ऊपर से तो पानी साफ ही आ रहा है, गंदा कौन कर रहा है?
हम ही कर रहे हैं.
तो फिर इफ यू थिंक हम साफ कर देंगे वो साफ हो जाएगी, नहीं होगी, वो 2 दिन बाद फिर वैसी
फिर
गंदी
वैसी
हो
हो
जाएगी,
जाएगी.
बिकॉज इट इज अस हु आर डूइंग इट एंड इट इज नॉट जस्ट दी दोज पीपल लिविंग अराउंड यमुना.
Yeah.
We also, how many times do we try कि हम कुछ, if you go to say this Rishikesh or any other water front,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
look at how educated people behave.
Yeah, yeah.
They try their best to create a nonsense and dirty all the water that is flowing.
Right.
So it is us. तो this issue का issue नहीं है, humans का issue है.
हाँ.
Right.
Humans का issue क्यों है? Because they are not educated. If they're educated, they don't have that sense of empathy or respect towards the resources that they're using.
Right.
Right. So
Yeah, like अगर education होगी, so instead of like एक दूसरे को गालियाँ देने से अच्छा, they will realize that, yeah, like maybe the problem is within me, and maybe if I act accordingly, people around me will also
Yes,
act accordingly.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
definitely.
I also feel it's not just about education, it's also about right education, as you mentioned.
Right
that
education, definitely. Yeah, yeah.
Pehchan not only teaches little children English, maths, it's
Yeah.
a holistic approach.
it's a behavioral thing that you
Right,
change in a
right.
person. Otherwise, educated people you'll find them all on Twitter, X, Instagram. You'll see what they do.
Yes, definitely.
And we don't even have to discuss how educated people behave online.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
And so
yeah.
education is, again, that is not education. Education is if you can't be a better human,
Right.
your education is all waste.
Yeah, people act like there are no consequences when they're behind the screen.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
They can post anything, they can criticize
Right, right,
anything,
right.
they can do anything and run away.
Yeah.
And you never know what that particular comment or a post will impact, how it will impact the other person.
Yeah. Right. Definitely.
So, as we are part of Enactus and we primarily look for social change, so the question that I would like to ask you, and if you could guide us, for teenagers like us, we're 18, 19, we're managing studies as well, we're
Yeah.
also maybe doing extracurriculars. We feel like we don't have time at hand, but we do want to make change in society. So, how do you suggest we can start? Maybe something small, but what would you suggest for us to just begin?
So the first thing would be identify what you want to do.
Right.
Do you really want to do social work, or you just want to do social media work?
Okay.
What is your objective?
Right.
If you want to do social media work, it's okay. Do a drive. किसी भी गांव में जाओ, शरबत बांटो, photo खींचो, it's done.
Right.
A lot of people they do it, and it is not wrong. It is also a part of social work only. But then set your objectives. What do you want to do? Right, and I'll give you an example. अगर last अभी तो वो ट्रॉफी जीत गई, अभी जब last year जब इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप they lost the World
God.
Cup, right? You must have watched obviously,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
क्या how do you think क्या हो रहा था उस टाइम फील्ड पर
Field पर?
जब हार रहे थे?
मुझे तो बहुत दुख हो रहा था, मुझे फील करना था।
So do you realize वहाँ पे there are players playing
Yeah.
and then there are 50,000 people abusing them.
Yes.
They're
Definitely.
shouting,
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
criticizing. Just imagine हमें कोई एक criticize कर दे, कोई एक इंसान, कोई एक
बिल्कुल
friend,
लग
we'll
जाती है।
stop going to college for a few days. कि
Yeah.
भाई ये तो बहुत depressing हो गया. What do you think kept those players on the ground, knowing we are losing, knowing there are 50,000 people abusing us यहाँ पे?
Right.
Then there would be a whole media would be bashing
whole
us for
country.
days.
Yeah,
Social
yeah,
media
yeah.
भर जाएगा. Just imagine the kind of pressure and demotivation they'll be going through.
Yes.
But still they played. Why? Because they were not playing for people. They were playing for themselves.
Right.
This is what is their job. This is what is their life. This is what is their dream, their aim, everything that they live by.
Mhm.
And that's the reason even when 50,000 people are abusing them, they're still playing.
Right.
And so that is what keeps you going. So if you have your objective set कि मुझे ये करना है, तो आप कर लोगे. Nothing can stop you.
Right.
Right.
Problem with teenagers, because I have been to that phase, we get confused कि हमें करना क्या है. अरे आज वो ड्राइव हो रही है, ये तो बहुत फैंसी है, इसमें बहुत भीड़ जा रहे हैं, बहुत सेक्सी क्राउड है, वहाँ चलते हैं. That's true. आज यहाँ चलते हैं.
हाँ.
अरे आज वहाँ और आज वहाँ चलते हैं. हम तो सोशल वर्कर बन गए क्योंकि 4 ड्राइव कर ली.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट ड्राइव, अरे इसमें कोई नहीं जा रहा, अरे नहीं ये तो बहुत बोरिंग होगी, यहाँ नहीं जाना.
हाँ.
क्यों? बिकॉज यू आर रनिंग बिहाइंड द रॉन्ग ऑब्जेक्टिव.
Right.
द मोमेंट यू रियलाइज योर ऑब्जेक्टिव, खत्म. उसके बाद यू डोंट, एज ए सेट, जब एग्जाम आता है तो हम खुद पढ़ लेते हैं, हमें कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं चाहिए.
ठीक है. हाँ.
आइडेंटिफाई योर कॉज विच कनेक्ट्स विद यू, विच यू बिलीव इन, एंड जिसके लिए यू डोंट नीड पीपल.
Right.
हाँ.
So that is what your social work is. And it could be as small. Another thing that usually we get confused is कि जब तक कुछ बड़ा नहीं होगा तब तक हम पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगे.
हाँ.
मेरे को तो बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव चाहिए.
हाँ.
1000 लोगों के साथ नहीं होगा,
Exactly.
500 लोगों के साथ नहीं होगा. क्यों? Your social work could be as small as going around the place and asking a peon who is outside कि भैया आज थोड़े अपसेट लग रहे हो, क्या हो गया. उसके साथ बैठो, वो आपको बताएगा अरे घर में ये प्रॉब्लम चल रही है, यार कोई नहीं मैं हेल्प करता हूँ, चलो. दैट इज ऑल्सो सोशल वर्क.
Right.
बट हम वो सोशल वर्क नहीं मानते. हमें तब तक लगता है जब तक किसी गरीब को बड़े लेवल पे कुछ नहीं दिया, इम्पैक्ट तो क्रिएट नहीं हुआ.
हाँ.
राइट. सोशल वर्क कुड बी you're in a class, there could be a student, some of your colleague जिसके मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आ रहे हैं, वो कॉन्स्टेंटली फेल हो रहा है. हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस वी गो एंड टॉक टू दैट पर्सन, क्या तेरे मार्क्स क्यों नहीं अच्छे आ रहे, चल मैं तेरे को सिखाता हूँ.
Right.
हम वो नहीं करेंगे.
Impact is impact.
आर सोशल वर्क इज वेरी सब्जेक्टिव.
Right.
है ना, कि वो या तो फैंसी होगा, या वो लार्जर देन लाइफ होगा, या इट विल रिवॉल्व अराउंड आवर फ्रेंड्स, आवर कम्युनिटी.
Right.
उसके बाहर का सोशल वर्क हमने देखा ही नहीं है, हमें पता ही नहीं है, और वो होता भी नहीं है फिर.
Right.
That is really true. ये हमारी भी conversations होती हैं कि कौन जा रहे हैं, हम दोस्त
हाँ,
दोस्त है नहीं है, क्या हो रहा है.
See, one thing that I have realized is that we went on a book drive. It's called Granth. So it was a campaign, and we were distributing books to the little children. And हमने उनसे अपने tote bags पे ब्लॉक पेंटिंग करवाई थी, कश्मीरी ब्लॉक पेंटिंग. तो अब था, आई लिव इन फरीदाबाद, वो गुड़गांव में था. इट टुक मी अराउंड 1.5 hours टू रीच देयर. आई डिड नॉट टेक अप दिस कैंपेन बिकॉज मेरे दोस्त आ रहे हैं. आई डिड नॉट डू दैट. फॉर वंस आई वाज लाइक कि यार मुझे करना है ये, मुझे देखना है उन बच्चों के मुंह पे लाइक मुस्कान आ रही है एंड ऑल. एंड व्हेन आई वेंट इन टू दैट कैंपेन विद दैट एटीट्यूड, डेफिनेटली इट वाज लाइक आई फेल्ट वेरी हैप्पी. लाइक ऐसा लग रहा था कि लाइक हाँ चेंज लाए हैं हम कुछ.
My experience from him is a bit different. I went for the different reason. I went because one of my friend was going, and because people were there, so I said,
Yeah.
"Chalte hain." And so the main aim of the event was we wanted to give them books, and we were making sure that we could give them age-appropriate books.
Yeah.
But more than that, I think the best part of that drive for me was when I was actually talking to them.
Yeah.
मजे आते हैं. There was this girl, I still remember. She had really pretty hair, so I was complimenting her. So just engaging with them, actually talking to
Yes.
them. आपने क्या खाया, आपको क्या पसंद है? That was the thing that made my day.
It will fill you with so much of energy, motivation. And हम तो because we are working so since a while now, there are so many stories that if I start telling you हमें पूरी रात हो जाएगी. Right, अभी last year we had this student, I guess it's a standard story that we share with everybody. So that was the first child who joined the initiative. He was one of the
Okay.
first students of the
Back
first
then?
group. Yes.
Okay.
So we have seen him growing.
Oh wow.
वो शायद 3rd में था जब उसने ज्वाइन किया था.
अच्छा.
And over the period of time, एक दिन I was working center पे using my laptop, so he came to me and said कि ये क्या है. मैंने कहा लैपटॉप है. अरे मुझे भी लैपटॉप चाहिए. मैंने मजाक में बोला अच्छा ठीक है, जब आप 12th में आप पास हो जाओगे आपको लैपटॉप दिला देंगे. He said ठीक है. उसके बाद फिर लॉकडाउन आया. लॉकडाउन में किसी तरह से बिकॉज स्कूल्स बंद हो गए थे, इंटरनेट किसी के पास है नहीं यहाँ पे, एजुकेशन थोड़ी सी ऊपर नीचे हुई. इसके बाद दोबारा जब अब खुले ही kept on working सेंटर पर आके जो भी हेल्प चाहिए. It kept on going. Last year, that student, he appeared for his 12th class.
Wow.
He was the first in his entire family to appear for 12th class exams. He is the first in the entire village, in the entire slum.
Wow.
to
So inspired.
clear 12th exam.
So inspiring.
He scored 86%.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
That's an impressive score.
93 in economics.
Oh my
He
god.
then gave CUET एग्जाम जो हमारे
अच्छा।
volunteers जा जाके उसको
हाँ।
अलग अलग सेंटर्स पे दिला के लाए
Uh-huh.
and he got admission in PGDAV first cut
Wow.
off में.
Wow.
That is so beautiful. That is
Now
so
imagine
beautiful.
a student coming from a background and किस background से आ रहा है, just to give a check कि जब उसके marks आए थे उसने हमें बताया, उसके बाद मैंने बोला अच्छा जाके फैमिली को बताओ. He called his father and his father was like कि मुझे काम के टाइम पे कॉल मत करो. ठीक है, उसकी मदर को बताया चलो ठीक है बहुत पढ़ लिख लिया अब काम धंधे पे लगो. So he comes from a family जहाँ from first of all the area जहाँ पे 6th 7th के बाद कोई स्कूल नहीं जाता लड़का,
हाँ जी.
सबको पैसे कमाने हैं.
हाँ.
ठीक है, जब उसका मार्क्स अभी आए थे, जब उसके कॉलेज में एडमिशन हो मतलब उसको फर्स्ट कट ऑफ में मिल गया था, वी हैड टू गो एंड कन्विंस हिज पेरेंट्स कि इसको कॉलेज भेज दो, बिकॉज उसके आसपास सब लोगों ने बोला अगर ये कॉलेज जाएगा तो बिगड़ जाएगा.
That's wrong.
सो नाउ इमेजिन दैट पर्सन हु इज कमिंग फ्रॉम सच अ बैकग्राउंड,
Yeah, yeah.
वो कॉलेज जा रहा है, वो कितना उसको मोटिवेशन चाहिए. मतलब हम तो यहाँ से डिस्कस कर रहे हैं,
हाँ.
ठीक है, जिस बैकग्राउंड से वो आया है बिना किसी सपोर्ट के, किसी कोचिंग, किसी कुछ के, ही इज डूइंग सो मच राइट. और उसके बाद वो कॉलेज में जा रहा है, हैविंग दिस थिंग अराउंड, लाइक सीइंग एवरीबडी ऑफ द एज अर्निंग एंड ही स्टिल इन कॉलेज. लोग उसको जाके जो उसके फ्रेंड्स है उसको चढ़ाते आ रहे, कॉलेज आ रहे हैं, हम तो देख पैसे कमा रहे हैं राइट. सो वो जो मोटिवेशन वो आपको देंगे वो आपको कोई और नहीं दे सकता है.
Yes.
एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि जो प्रिविलेजेस हमारे पास है, हमें तो किसी ने मना नहीं किया. फिर लोग हमसे लड़ते हैं कि तुम जाओ कॉलेज, वहाँ पे लोग उनसे लड़ रहे हैं कि तुम क्यों जा रहे हो कॉलेज.
Mm-hmm.
सो दीज आर द टू वर्ल्ड्स वी आर लिविंग इन.
Right.
I mean, I can just understand कि अगर वो उस फैमिली से आया है, इतनी मेहनत करके भी स्कोरिंग इतना अच्छा, he's gotten into Delhi University, तो सबका ड्रीम कॉलेज होता है.
Definitely.
And तब भी if parents are not supportive, I'm not sure what is going on with him. मतलब क्या बीतती होगी. And but all of this is really heart wrenching, especially for people like us.
Yeah, yeah,
because
definitely.
हम तो बहुत करते हैं क्रिल.
So before we sign off, I would like to ask you a question. So in this journey of yours, आपको कोई ऐसा regret था या फिर maybe कुछ आपके दिमाग में अभी भी एक reservation है कि like कि one thing यार काश मैंने different करी होती.
इट्स अ स्टोरी दैट इट्स अ वेरी सैड स्टोरी एक्चुअली. सो हमारे पास एक लड़की थी जो पढ़ती थी.
Right.
शी वॉज अगेन वेरी यंग एंड स्टार्टिंग से आती थी, बट उसको नहीं पढ़ना पसंद. तो अब जब कोई नहीं पढ़ रहा तब उसको फोर्स नहीं कर सकते. सो वो आती थी, वो सेंटर पे रहती थी जब तक क्लास चलती थी, बट वो कुछ काम कर रही है, वो मतलब हेल्प कर रही है कराने में, सामान सबको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रही है. तो हमने कहा ठीक है, तो इतना अगर इट्स ओके फॉर अस. हमने बहुत ट्राई किया उसको पढ़ाने का, उसको समझ ही नहीं आता था.
Right.
उसके बाद लॉकडाउन हुआ. लॉकडाउन के बाद जब फर्स्ट लॉकडाउन खुला, सो हम फर्स्ट टाइम जब सेंटर पे गए तो वो सेंटर के बाहर बैठी हुई थी.
अच्छा.
उसका घर जो एकदम हमारा जो सेंटर उसके सामने ही था. सो शी वाज सिटिंग देयर विद अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड इन हर आर्म एंड आई वाज जस्ट, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे सब मास्क पहन के रखे थे, तो मैं जा रहा था तो इतने में शी कॉल्स अप, अरे भैया. एंड आई लुक्ड एट हर एंड शी वाज लाइक, मैंने कहा ये किसका है? शी वाज लाइक ये मेरा है. शी वाज लाइक जस्ट 19 और 20 एट दैट टाइम.
हमारी age.
योर एज. एंड आई लाइक ओके, आई वाज जस्ट शॉक्ड.
Shocked, yeah.
एंड आई जस्ट वेंट इनसाइड. मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला. फिर मैंने अंदर जाके सारे बच्चे, अरे आपको वो रोशनी मिली, वो आ रखी है. मैंने कहा इसकी कह रही इसकी लॉकडाउन में, बाद में पता चला लॉकडाउन में घर वालों ने शादी कर दी और उसको भेज दिया. अब क्योंकि उसकी बेटी हुई है तो ससुराल वाले ने उसको वापस भेज दिया. अब वो बाहर बैठी है. अब नाउ इमेजिन अ 19-year-old गर्ल जिसको काउंटिंग भी नहीं आती है. उसके पेरेंट्स आर इकोनॉमिकली नॉट स्टेबल, पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं, कुछ काम धंधा नहीं करते, वो झुग्गी में रह रहे हैं, और उसके हाथ में एक 6 महीने की बच्ची है, 5 या 6 महीने की बच्ची है. व्हाट डू यू थिंक क्या होगा? उसके बाद फिर दोबारा लॉकडाउन हो गया था. लॉकडाउन के बाद फिर जब हम वापस आए तो वो पूरी फैमिली चले गई थी वहाँ से, वो हमें आज तक नहीं मिली. सो दैट वाज द ओनली रिग्रेट एंड इट वाज जस्ट अ रिग्रेट कि यार थोड़ा सा इसको डांट के, मार के, कुछ और करके, कुछ थोड़ा सा भी पढ़ा देते तो मे बी शी कुड हैव जस्ट अर्न फॉर हरसेल्फ एंड हर डॉटर,
Been in a better position.
बी इन अ बेटर पोजिशन. बट उस टाइम पे जो था, इट वाज सच अ रिग्रेट फॉर अस.
अच्छा.
एंड इमेजिन उसका क्या होगा, उस बच्चे का क्या होगा जब है. देयर इज नोबडी फॉर देम.
Right.
और दोबारा शादी भी कौन करेगा, बिकॉज पहले वाले ने उसको निकाला इस चीज
हाँ.
से. सो देयर आर सो मेनी सच एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड इट्स ऑल्सो मोटिवेशन फॉर अस कि यार
Exactly.
ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
और we should focus.
वो जब regret पीछे बैठा होता है तो
हाँ.
फिर like next
So I
time.
guess that's the biggest regret in
Yeah.
last 10 years, especially for this thing.
Right.
Right.
Okay, this is a really
It's very heart wrenching. Yeah, it's a very sad story to hear. Like almost like we don't even know. ये तो अभी सर ने एक केस बताया हमें, but like कितने ऐसे cases हैं जो like even we are not aware of, and not just this. We're talking about all types of social problems. Sexual assaults, domestic violence, not just against women, against men as well. So yeah, that's really heart wrenching to hear. And so you've also worked at you've also lived the corporate life, I think, right? So was Pehchan like a change for you?
It's actually, you can say it's, so after my office life, you need some motivation, you need something to cheer you up. So this is that side of my life. So it's not an additional work. It's like you usually go out and play, or you usually go out and watch movies, you usually go out and listen to music. This is what I do. Because I guess this is something that is beyond any other activity. And the people and the kind of love you get from all these
Right.
people, the kind of cheer they give you, it's nothing else can actually make you feel better than this.
I think from the movies and whatever time pass that somebody else does, that's a very momentary
Yes.
happiness. This
Yes.
is something
Yes.
that will last with you forever.
Yes.
Akash sir, thank you so much for joining us today. And to our listeners, stay tuned. We're going to have more episodes coming up. This has been our podcast, Mike and Mission. I've been Arjun, and
Alicia.
thank you.